Good morning. Whew, last night was a little bit of a wild time as we were getting to the apartment. Well, actually, no, it wasn't a wild time. It was really easy, actually, and I was surprised. It took us about a half an hour to get through the customs lane. Then we picked up our bags and we ran them through a little scanner thing. It looked like, what does it look like? When you come back from like Hawaii, and they want to make sure that you don't have any agricultural stuff. But that was it. But we did get stamps. I haven't looked at them yet, but I'm excited because we haven't been getting stamps, which is a total bummer. Yeah. So why don't I show you the apartment? Of course, we stayed here last night, so it's a little bit, lived in. But this is our bedroom, and it is a loft. We have our kitchen. It's a pretty well-equipped kitchen. Roy said that it's got 8 million different types of wine glasses. If they insist, then who am I to say no to wine? And our living room. We both agree that if we lived somewhere like this, that this would be just perfect. We did get a couple honks last night out on the street, but really hasn't been bad. It's really pretty balconies. I wish that I checked to see if there was a balcony. I love a good balcony, but it's okay. This is really cute. This is perfect. Really good AC. Really, really good. Almost froze out last night. That's kind of funny. The shower's right there. Roy's in for a rude awakening. The hot water only lasts about 3 minutes. Today's game plan is we're gonna go meet for a food tour at 10:30 where we're gonna go sample, I think it's at 9 different spots. I imagine some of it's like coffee and some of it's, little snackables. But after that, then we're just gonna kind of get the lay of the land. I really wanna go to the beach, so I have a bathing suit sitting outside right now, or sitting out on the bed right now. I need to go do the daunting task of repacking my backpack. And then coffee. I need a cup of coffee. Okay, let's do it. Adventure.
Sure.
Got my adventuring hat with me.
Do you really?
I do, of course. Oh. What do you think? Arepa with egg. Really good. That was a fantastic first meal in Colombia. So we were walking along and looking for food in a coffee shop, and this gal's eating an arepa just like on the street. She's like, "This, eat this." Okay, why not? And it was really good. Finally found our coffee shop. These are kind of fun. This one these have birds. Their change has frogs and birds. So far, I like it. I like it here. Hour and a half before we go to our food tour. Oh, I just say we bum around and eat street fruit.
I don't think we eat street food before we go.
Street fruit? You can't fill up on fruit. We've been watching this fruit vendor for a solid 5 minutes at least. I just learned a new way to cut up a pineapple, which makes sense. He left the stem on and just cut it off the stem. Smart. Why would you cut that off? I don't know why I do that. Now he's doing papaya. We watched him do watermelon, then he did pineapple, and now he's on to papaya. I love watching people who are like so skilled at what they do, even if it's like a small task of like cutting fruit. They are the palanqueras.
What are
these women? The women in colorful dresses wandering around Caragena with fruit on their heads are called palanqueras because they originally hail from San Basilio de Palenque, the oldest free town for self-emancipated Africans in the Americas. Hi, hola! You guys are beautiful! We're looking up how to get stamps for our postcards, and Roy's saying that it's $2 a piece. There isn't an actual post office, and this guy that he wrote a blog about it He said that 6 out of 10 of them showed up. But the souvenir shop is right down the road from our apartment, so on the way to our food tour, we're gonna go poke our heads in and go spend 40 bucks in stamps. All right, stamps procured. Off we go to the food tour.
Sleepy town.
Body glide coming in clutch right now. I feel like I could run a marathon like Tom Cruise. No, we're just waiting for the rest of our group with the food tour. Watching vendors fix wheels, you know.
I mean, that's homemade.
I really like this town.
See how spicy that is.
That's so good.
These guys, we are going to drink Cola Román. It's sweet like everything in Cartagena, but I have to tell you that at the beginning was medicine for flu.
Smells like cough syrup. All right, cheers.
We had this drink. It tasted red, you know what I mean?
Oh, tasted bread.
That was really good, but I got pooped on by a bird.
I got
We're headed to our next stop.
You get the biggest chunk.
No, I want the smaller one.
Which one are you taking?
Thank you. Whoop. Oh, it's hot.
They are just fried, so that's why it's really hot. Sorry, it's not in my nose. All the trees, so I don't like it. But I'm going to.
I'm almost pickly.
These guys in Spanish, well, in English it's called joy. See? So in Spanish it's alegría. Alegría. Alegrías.
It's sticky.
Ah.
Thank you.
It's like a popcorn
As I
ball.
told you, we are a little obsessive.
I'll try half, you try half.
That's sugary.
This one is the only one that is not sweet.
I think I like that pickle better.
Panderitos. Panderitos.
Thank you.
I think I like
It's like
mine.
a dry and hard cooking. Panderitos.
It's like eating dust.
It's a palate cleanser. This is like burnt caramel kernel. Like all the old maize in the bottom.
I kind of like those, that thing.
This one, guys, is called conservitas or dulce de leche.
Thank you.
It's softer than you would think, or like puttier. It's a fudge.
Like
Sweet.
caramel.
Listo. Which one
Sweet
was your
condensed
favorite?
milk fudge.
Yeah. Yum. That one is my favorite.
Some important part of a colonial house, doors. High doors because they used to enter by horses. This part of the house, you see the floor, the pointing corner? Why was that? In colonial times, so every colonial house has this type of corner, and was to catch witches. Because if a witch was flying around your house, in that way you can catch a witch. Door knockers, traditional ones, are lions, iguanas, seahorses, mermaid or fish. So, lions for military people, the side of the lions is the position of the person. Iguanas for people close to the royalty. Seahorses, mermaid fish, people that used to work around the ocean. So every door knocker was talking about the person. In that moment, every house was talking about money. See? That's the difference between this one colonial, this one Republican. See? Between them, our independence. Because people say we don't want more Spanish things around, so let's change the type of architecture. Then, when Colombia became an important producer, let me tell you that the best quality went to different countries and the worst stay here. That's why in Colombia, guys, we don't drink a lot of coffee. That's why also in Colombia, we don't call the coffee coffee, we call the coffee tinto. Coffee lemonade is made by espresso and lime. When you ask for a lemonade in Caragena, everyone is going to offer you One line. Everything. Salud.
Salud.
Let's practice for the via. Arriba,
Arriba.
abajo,
Abajo.
al centro,
Centro.
adentro.
Adentro.
You do it too? Okay, I don't. So guys, we are going to our next stop, that is beer. ¿Listo? So, and now is your turn to do arriba, abajo, al centro y para adentro. ¿Listo?
Okay.
You're gonna be the voice.
I'm gonna attempt it. Okay.
¿Listo?
All right. Arriba. Abajo. Al centro.
Pa adentro. Adentro.
Pa dentro.
Yeah, good job.
Águila.
Thank you.
Remember, in the Caribbean coast, we call the beer fría.
Yeah.
Let's drink
Oh, this one's good too.
Yeah.
I like all of them.
Can't go wrong, right?
No, that's just.
No sale. Again.
Do it again. More energy.
Yeah.
Sí, claro. Ah, yo soy
Yeah, then there's some super happy for sure.
mixed with a
Thank
lime, lemon soda.
Whoa. It's
Okay, so it's like a radler.
it's alcohol? Oh, this is dangerous.
I know.
It's like
¿Listo? Your turn to do arriba, abajo, al centro y para adentro.
Arriba. Abajo. Al centro.
Adentro.
that's how you get to that.
Right.
Okay, what is the last one again?
Pa adentro.
Pa dentro. Okay.
Pa adentro.
And
Bar.
I say pa adentro, ¿verdad? Pa adentro.
Pa dentro.
all I think
Pa
of is
dentro.
intro.
Right.
This is the square where we saw the hookers last night on the way to the apartment.
But now in this square we are going to eat as a student. What we eat when we are a student? Well, we don't have enough money to buy anything. Bread is the solution. Pan de bono is the name of this bread and it's our national bread. Pan de bono, guys, again, is made by yuca.
Cheers.
That's Sharon.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sweet.
It's no pan de
That is very good.
look like maybe the Colombian cookie.
Cheers.
Oh, jeez.
I do like that. I like the egg ones better.
Santa Marta or Los City. See? There are indigenous.
Well, I think that was a fantastic tour. It was free with my Expedia points, so that was even better. And by the end of it, I couldn't even eat. By the end of it, I was so full. Ugh. But I could have a beer
And ice cream.
and ice cream. We bought candles to do the 7th of December candle lighting. Cheers.